Right, morning. It's Monday. We're back in after the weekend, and I've got a little bumper corner and a beamer to do. It's hard to see because it's actually not that bad, but you just see it here. Scuffy here. It's a pal of mine, so I said I'd do it for him, wick it in with everything else that we're doing. We're about to break off my Fiesta, so I'm going to get back on my Fiesta probably Wednesday, I think, or maybe tomorrow, we'll see. But we've got this transporter in and all. Pure grey, it's got a dint in it, little dint here. And that's all that's up with it, but we're going to do that same thing as what we normally do. We're just going to bare metal it and do it that way because it's faster. So my pal's going to do it, get it ready. He might paint it, we'll see. But we're going to do them both together, beamer and transporter.
I thought there was the body kit to do in there.
There's two body kits. There's two body kits, so you're going to paint both body kits together, aren't you? Three.
Three spoilers.
Three spoilers, two splitters. Four. Wednesday, so the van needs to go first. Because you're not going to get them ready. You might do, but we'll.
So we're bare metaling this, yeah?
We're bare metaling this bonnet, and yeah, there's two ABT kits to do. One, I don't think one of them saw this van, but they're pure grey and all, so it would have been ideal to. Saying that, you wouldn't have even been able to do it with van because even though we've got a big oven, the take up full oven doing two kits anyway, so you'll be struggling. So all bits for them are down here. So there's two pure grey kits and an extra pure grey spoiler, and I'm a bit sander first. Oh, whatever. I'll use air one. And then there's an extra rear bumper, ABT rear bumper, side skirts, and an ABT spoiler that are going Fortana red, because pure kits are pure grey. And them ABT spoilers, once we get round to painting them, I'll show you, because they're an absolute nightmare, because what they want to do, they want to paint the main bit of ABT spoiler Fortana red, but then there's like a lip on back and front edge at spoiler that they want black, so you have to fine line it all off, and it's a right mess about, honestly, it's horrible. Every time he does one of these, I'm not very fond about doing it because it's a nightmare job, but I'm gonna get on with doing this bumper corner on this beamer, so it needs to go today, once it's back today, because he's got something to do tomorrow. And hopefully, well, I'm not saying hopefully, Char will have that bonnet ready so we can paint them both at the same time, because he wants that back for Wednesday, that transporter with that bonnet. So we're going to get cracked on and we'll see you in a bit.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test.
Right, so this escalated a bit more than I expected it to. It's, from first glance when I looked at it, it just looked like it wanted buzzing and painting. I could see a little bit of a repair in it, but not on this scale, as you can see. It looks like there's a lot of filler in it, but there isn't. It just looks like it, but it's really thin skin. It had really disformed it around here. So when I were buzzing it, you could see it was like a crown. And yeah, so this has took me longer than I expected it. It's actually took me that long. But if you look over here, Char's already finished doing his fucking bonnet. And it's off at vehicle and all. And he's done. I put in that filler in because I had some left, but yeah, it's all ready to go. So we're gonna throw these in oven now and get some primer on them. I think I'll prime them both at the same time. So yeah, we'll crack on, get some primer on them.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it.